Hey guys, this is Jack from Half-Chrome. I've got my iRangeX IRX4 Lite. This is a multi-protocol module for my Frsky X-Lite remote. Now this basically turns this into a multi-protocol module very much like this did with my QX7, or like you would use your jumper, right? This is the jumper T8SG Plus, which is my favorite of the jumper line. Now they do have that new T16, which I'm anxious to get my hands on. So how does this thing work? Well, if you flip it around the back, you'll notice that the back port here will not fit my standard JR module. So they have created a new one, right? It just kind of slips into place back here. Slide it down, and then we can screw the antenna on the top, and it's as simple as that. Let's show how this works. Now you're going to have to make sure that you've updated your firmware here in order for this to work. But basically you insert that module in the back like we've already done here. You can see the light is on. Then you choose the model. I've actually set it up for Flysky here. Let's take a look. Now what you're going to have to do here is go to the internal RF and turn it off, right? So that's what we've done here. And then you're going to go to multi here. Now you're going to have to make sure that you turn that on when you update your firmware, and then you have multiple different protocols that you can go through, whether it's Walkera, Q303, DSM2, DSMX, Flysky, Frsky, Flysky. This is Flysky FS2 that I bound this particular remote to, but it works for everything. There we have the Bayang toys. That's this guy here, the E013. We've got Hubsan protocols. There are all sorts of protocols. Then you go to the subtype if you need to. Enter the RX number, enter bind, and then you bind, you push that bind. The light on the back will blink, show that you're in binding mode. Once it binds up, you're good to go. And then you can fly everything from your Hubsan, right? So I bound this here. This is actually a Flysky protocol quad. This is the first one I tested it on. It worked pretty well. A lot of fun there. But everything from Hubsans to little toys, and then I can even fly my Frsky, my DSM2, DSMX. That's really what I like it for, that I can use this really to fly anything. Right? I haven't found something that I want to fly that I can't. So that is the advantage of the IRX4 Lite. Fits right into the back of this. And of course the antenna is removable. Right? So if you're looking for multi-protocol, make this. This is a great remote. I really love it. This just adds a little bit of functionality to this remote. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com. We're also writing for the Drone DJ. Have a great day. Happy flying.